Once you have mapped out your workflow and published it, the next important step is to test it, just like your team would use it in the field. This ensures every step works exactly as intended. Here's how to get started. First, make sure you are added to the groups that participate in the workflow. If you're not a participant, you won't see the tasks when switching to user mode. You can test your workflow in two ways. Switch to user mode directly in your browser, or download the Fluix Tasks app on iOS or Android and log in as a user with your credentials. Now start your work on the task as your field team user would. Open your assigned task, fill out the form, add any required photos, signatures, or notes, then submit the task.
Once submitted, go back to the admin portal and open the activity status.
There, you'll find a full record of the task you just completed, including timestamps for each step, the user who completed the task, and where the document was stored. Fluix also gives you flexibility to manage tasks directly. Move tasks forward manually, reassign them to another user within the group, or suspend a task if it's no longer needed. And that's it, your workflow has been tested from start to finish. Taking time to test ensures your team's experience will be smooth, efficient, and aligned with your goals.